Hello guys, it's Mariah back with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys a bunch of DIYs for fall, all Dollar Tree items, and if you want to see how I make them, just keep on watching. So first I got these flower picks from Dollar Tree. The first thing you're going to see me do in a few moments is just taking all of the tags off of these flowers. So once you're done with that, I just took a Dollar Tree wreath and 2 Dollar Tree garlands, and I just wrapped 2 leaf garlands across the wreath. I didn't get to show you guys in the video because I didn't decide I was making the video till after I had already started the DIY. So right here, I'm just showing you guys that I had to fold the stem of the flower to allow it to fit. I did try to cut it off, but the stems of these Dollar Tree flowers are made with wire and it is very hard to cut. So I just show you guys that you can slip it through one of the little holes. If you fold it close enough, then all you have to do is just fluff it out to make it look more full. So now I'm going to continue to do that for all of the flower picks that I add to this wreath. So now I'm taking these pumpkin picks that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut the stems of them because obviously they're way too long, and I'm just gonna poke them through with the flowers. If you want a better hold, you can hot glue them down, which I'll probably do later on. At this point, we're basically done. I'm just going to be moving the flowers around, fluffing them out so that you don't really see those gaps. To avoid that, you could just add more picks, but these are all the flowers I had on hand, so I'm just going to keep it the way it is and fluff it out if need be. Last thing I did was take some Dollar Tree command hooks and I stuck it on my outside door and then just put the wreath on top of it. On to the next DIY. So I just took 3 size pizza pans and cake pans from Dollar Tree. I spray painted them white. I didn't spray paint it perfectly because I'm really going for more of like a rustic look. Also because in the end, the paint job won't really matter and you'll get to see why. I also took 2 candle holders that I used from a previous DIY, which was also spray painted white. And now I'm just going to hot glue and use E6000 to glue them together to make a tier tray. So now you just see me putting the E6000 for stronger hold and then for the hot glue so that it dries faster, and I'm just going to glue the top and bottom, and it's easier to see it than for me to explain it, so I'll let you guys just watch. So like, it's totally okay if these things aren't glued 100% straight, and you'll see why, because honestly you won't even be able to tell. So right here I'm just showing you guys my little basket that I have of Dollar Tree decor, and I'm just gonna pick a few and decorate my tier tray. Again, every single decor piece that I used for this tray was all from Dollar Tree. Every single one of them. The pumpkins, the candle, the little card, the little pillow, all of it. So on to the next DIY. I just take a candle holder and this little cake platter from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue and use E6000 again to put them together. Next, I'm just going to take a matte white spray paint and spray both of these together. Now I'm just taking these two fall decor pieces that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to show you how I decorate this tray for fall in my kitchen. This is like the easiest DIY ever. Again, this was the easiest thing to make and it's already done, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did. This is a Dollar Tree basket that I found. I just put some ShopRite bags at the bottom to bring height, and then all these pumpkins are Dollar Tree. The sign is Dollar Tree. I stuck it in the corner, and I just took some Dollar Tree flowers. I put it in a vase with some water. Key tip if you want to make fake flowers look real. Then I just brought this sign from Dollar Tree and wrote "Hello Fall" and did little squiggly lines. And this is how this little corner came out.